Hey babies, welcome to my channel, Donna P Howard. I have a review for Pearl Family Farms Snipped green beans, and they're USDA organic, and it was 28 ounces in this packaging. They weren't filled to the top, but they did the job. And here's my plate. I just showed you in my last video. I wanted some ham hocks and green beans. And that's how they look. They taste really good. They were really, really fresh. I didn't see too many green beans in the bag that were bruised. Of course, I picked them. I put them in a bowl and rinsed them off with cold water. And popped the ends off. Pulled the strings out. And the ones that were really long, I broke in half. But it's good tasting. It's fresh. I like green beans. A lot of people I know don't, but I like them, so I had a taste for them. And hey, couldn't go wrong. And I got those from the food truck too, so you figure green beans and potatoes, and all I had to add was the ham hock. I'm not too satisfied with the ham hocks. Don't get me wrong, they taste great. But it just wasn't a lot of meat on there. But they complimented these green beans. I had wound up getting 2 packages because when the truck came, they had a variety of different stuff and people took different stuff. And I guess when they realized what they got, they didn't want it. So here where I live at, we put stuff in our laundry room if it's something you don't want, you know, somebody else could use it. So I picked up 2 bags. I was going to share them with somebody, but then nobody else want them. And it worked out great for me. I wound up getting 2 of these quart-sized bags out of them. One I filled all the way up to the top, to the ceiling, and one was like right here. But that's 2 different meals for me. It's really more than 2 different meals. So I made 4 ham hocks, and I put half a bag of the potatoes in it, and I put the 1 bag that was filled up to the top with the green beans in it. I've eaten off it twice earlier today. I'm eating off it now. I took one of these bags and put a ham hock and the green beans and the potatoes in there. So I put that in the freezer. So that's another meal. So you figure I've eaten off it 3 times. And then I froze a bag off of one of these bags. So I'm quite satisfied with them. And if I'll see them in the store, I definitely would buy them. They were just as fresh as picking them up yourself and putting them in a plastic bag. And for 28 ounces, I think I did real good. So if you like green beans and you don't know if you should buy them in packaging or not, they're just as good in the packaging as if you was picking them up yourself. They taste fresh. They taste good. They're a vegetable. You know me, I don't eat a lot of vegetables, so I'm trying to incorporate more vegetables in my meal. So, if you've had any from Pearl Family Farms, please share your review. Positive and negative opinions are always welcome. Please subscribe. Hit that notification bell so you always know when I'm uploading. Share my videos with your family and friends. And leave me a comment. I love interacting with you. Toodles!